Today, I'm going to show you how to create a professional website using Hostinger's website builder. No coding skills necessary. All you need is an internet connection and a bit of free time. So if that sounds good, let's go ahead and dive in. First off, why create a website? A website is a fantastic tool for building an online community, showcasing your work, selling products, or establishing your brand. But how do we get there? Don't worry, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. Start by signing up with Hostinger and choosing a plan that suits your needs. We recommend Hostinger because it offers a user-friendly platform, making it perfect for beginners who have never built a website before. If you want to get started with Hostinger today, then go ahead and click the link down in the description, which will bring you to this page right here. So once you're on this page here, you can go ahead and click on Start Now. That's going to bring you down here to the different plans that Hostinger offers. There's the premium plan, the business plan, and the cloud startup plan. But for most of you watching, the premium plan is going to be more than enough. For less than $3 a month, you can create 100 different websites. It supports about 25,000 visits monthly. You get 100 gigabytes of NVMe storage, 400,000 files and directories, free pre-built templates, free automatic website migration, unlimited free SSL, free email, weekly backups, WordPress vulnerability scanner, WordPress auto updates, standard WordPress acceleration, unlimited bandwidth, free domain, and more. So go ahead and click on Choose Plan, which will bring you to the checkout page here. And next you can go ahead and select the term that you want to commit to. So there's a 1-month option, a 12-month option, a 24-month option, and a 48-month option. We recommend choosing any of these options other than the 1-month option because you're not really going to see any savings there. So we'll go ahead and select the 12-month option. Now to save even more money, go ahead and scroll down here to the checkout area into the coupon code section. Now if you type in my first website and click apply, you're going to get even more savings. So for $32.29, you're going to get web hosting for a year with Hostinger. Now, Hostinger also has a 30-day money-back guarantee option. So if for some reason in the first 30 days, you're not completely satisfied with Hostinger, you can get a refund. Again, don't forget to use the link down in the description along with code MyFirstWebsite to see the best savings with Hostinger. So once you log into your Hostinger account, it's going to look something like this. Now, the first thing that I would encourage you to do is to come on over here to domains, and this is where you can claim your free domain. So you can go ahead and search for a domain that's relevant to you or your business, and you can register that here. Now, we recommend trying to get a .com extension at the end of that. And because we've already used our free domain on this account, we're going to go ahead and skip this part. But after you've gone ahead and claimed your free domain, we'll come back over here to websites. And at the top right here, you can go ahead and click on Add Website. And this is where you can choose to either create a WordPress website, which takes a little bit more technical knowledge, or you can go ahead and use the Hostinger website builder, which is what we're going to be doing here today. So go ahead and click on Hostinger website builder. All right, after you've clicked on that, it's going to ask, do you want to create or migrate a website? And we're going to create a brand new website and click next. Here it's going to ask you if you want to create your website with WordPress, again, which takes a little bit more technical knowledge, or use Hostinger's built-in website builder. And that is what we're going to use for this video. But for more videos on how to use WordPress through Hostinger, go ahead and check out our channel for more videos on that. After you've selected Hostinger website builder, go ahead and click on next. And whether or not you claimed your free domain, it might ask you what domain or subdomain you'd like to use. We're going to go ahead and just use a temporary domain for this demonstration. Now it's going to ask us how we want to create our website through Hostinger website builder. There are two different options. We can either let AI create you a website in minutes, or you can select from pre-made templates. For this example, we'll go ahead and use pre-made templates. Now from here, you can go ahead and choose a template from different categories. Right now, this is selected to all templates, but you can filter by popular templates, blank templates, landing pages, and any of these other options here. Now, while there are some best practices for setting up your website, you can pick any of these templates and then customize them to your liking in the next step. So let's go ahead and select popular templates, and we'll go ahead and choose something that looks good. So I sort of like the looks of this Visit Bali website template, but before we hit select, you can go ahead and preview this to see if this is, kind of what you're looking for. So you can get a preview of what the website looks like, how the animations work, and something that's important to do not only in this step, but as you're building and customizing your website is to toggle between the desktop view and the mobile view just to make sure that it looks okay on mobile as well. So after scrolling through here, this looks pretty good. And again, we haven't had to do any coding or any designing yet, and we already have a really good starting point. So let's go ahead and click on Start Building. Okay, so once you've gone ahead and and clicked on start building, this is what the page looks like here. So here you can rearrange site elements simply by dragging and dropping them. So as you move items, you'll see a grid to help you organize everything neatly. Hostinger's editor automatically saves your changes, so you don't need to worry about losing your progress. So when you click on any of these elements, it's going to reveal the toolbar settings so you can make any changes. So in this example, you can edit the text, use AI to write different content here. You can duplicate this section, you can hide or show it, delete it, as well as click on more. And here you can use some different layering options. So you can bring it to the front, move it forward, send it back, or send backwards. Now, over on the left-hand side here, this is where you'll find everything that you need to build your website. So if we click up here on the top left first, this is your site setup checklist. So you can go ahead and come through here and follow some of the tips that Hostinger gives you in order to optimize your website. Things like edit heading text, update image, edit paragraph text, etc. So let's say you wanted to edit this background image here. So just by clicking on it, you can go ahead and click on edit section. And here, this is where you could replace the image. Now, when you click on that, you can go ahead and come to the My Library. And these are all the images that are associated with this template. So you can go ahead and find something else. You can also come over here to images or AI images. You can also come over here to free images. And this is connected to Unsplash. So here you can search for some free stock photos. Maybe you're creating a photography website. So this looks like a great picture for that. We'll go ahead and add to page here. And there we go. That's how easy it is to change the background. Now you can also use this overlay opacity option here to make white text, for example, on top of this sort of white background a little more visible. You can also add a video here as well, or change the color. So tons of different options again, and you don't need any coding skills at all. Now let's say maybe you wanted to add an element. So that is where this little plus sign comes in handy over here. So just by pressing that, you can go ahead and add different text, add buttons, click an add to bag button, and all these different elements here to fully customize your website really easily. So for example, let's go ahead and throw a map on here, and we could go ahead and, let's maybe just kind of continue with the visit Bali theme here. We'll click on edit map. We can go ahead and type in an address. We'll go ahead and search Bali, and there you go. As you can see, you just added a map really easily. And this would be great for any type of brick and mortar business, or if you wanted to just highlight any sort of location using a map. Now, the next section that we're going to look at here is the pages and navigation. So if you wanted to create new pages or edit new pages, this is where you would do that. So here, as you can see, we have this pricing page, this visit page, which this stuff corresponds to the stuff up here. And as you can see, under the visit page, we have 3 other pages that are indented. We know that when we go to the visit page, these other pages will be below it. And we can see that with the drop down over here in this header section. So if we come back over here and we click on these little gears next to each page, this is where we can change some of the settings for each page of our website. We can change it to make that the home page. We can get the page URL, rename it, duplicate it. We can hide from navigation. So maybe we're working on something that we don't necessarily want to be live on our website that's already live right now. That'd be a good option for that. And you can also add a password to a page as well. So to add a new page, you can go ahead and just click on add page here. And here you can choose any page and customize it by changing the text and images. You can search through different types of pages that Hostinger provides for you. So they have different about pages, different contact pages, service pages, project pages. You can also use AI to generate a page. So by coming in here, you can go ahead and create a page, something like that. And we can go ahead and click on create page. We give the AI a minute to load. And here we can go. Wedding photography services. Capture your special day with our affordable half day and full day wedding packages. Literally all I did was type like a couple sentences, and here we go. So there's the half day wedding, full day wedding, and engagement shoot. So pretty crazy what can be done with AI these days. So yeah, and if we come back here to pages and section, now we have this new services page, which we just created. Moving down the line here, when we come to website styles, this is where we can change colors, fonts, buttons, and animations. So here you can go ahead and we could change this color, and it would reflect the changes to wherever this color is on the website. It would change it to whatever we select. So this is a great way to just keep everything streamlined and just on the same page. This is also where all the different fonts are, the different buttons and how they look, as well as different animations. Moving down the line, this is where all the AI tools are. So as you just saw, we were able to create a whole page using AI. And here there is an AI image generator, AI writer, AI page generator, which you just saw, AI section generator, blog generator, heat map, SEO assistant, and a logo maker. So last thing that we'll look at here is the blog. So if you have a website, chances are you're going to to have a blog as well. And this is where you would go ahead and manage your blog. So here you can see that there are some different blogs in there. Again, this is from that Visit Bali template that we chose. So you can filter by all, drafts, scheduled, or published. And if we come down here, we can go ahead and add new post. And here you can either skip and write it yourself, or you can again use AI to write a blog post. So we'll go ahead and just do this real quick. Tone of voice, casual. Length of content, we'll go 300 to 500 words. And as you can see, that took just a couple of seconds. And here we have 10 tips to capture unforgettable wedding photographs. So here we go. Plan ahead for the perfect shots, choose the right photographer, consider the lighting, embrace candid moments, get comfortable with your photographer, include your guests, be yourself, take advantage of the venue, don't forget the details, relax and enjoy. Honestly, a pretty good article. Again, it's kind of crazy what AI can do. So once you're ready to set your website to live, go ahead and come up here to preview. And here it's going to take the editor away so you can see how your website will react in real time, and make sure that everything is good to go on both desktop and mobile, and then go ahead and click on go live. So depending on your website's purpose, you might need extra features. For example, if you're creating an online store, you'll need e-commerce functionality. To do that, just go to website settings and select online store, and then click add store. This will create a new store page for you to customize. For a complete guide on setting up an online store with Hostinger, be sure to check out a detailed tutorial linked in the description. To get your site noticed, you need to optimize it for search engines. SEO, or search engine optimization, helps your site rank higher in search results. Include targeted keywords in your titles, descriptions, headers, and body text. Use tools like Ahrefs Keyword Explorer or Google Keyword Planner to find popular search terms in your niche. Then access Hostinger's AI SEO assistant through the website settings. Follow the instructions to optimize your content and turn any yellow exclamation marks into green check marks. For an even more comprehensive approach to SEO, you're going to want to try SEMrush. SEMrush offers a powerful suite of tools for keyword research, competitive analysis, and site audits that can help you take your SEO to the next level. You can get a 14-day free trial of SEMrush by clicking the special link in the description below. There, you'll discover how SEMrush can provide valuable insights and strategies to boost your website's visibility and rankings. For more in-depth tutorials on using SEMrush, be sure to check out our other videos on our channels. To publish your site, connect your custom domain by clicking Preview Domain in the toolbar, then connect your own domain. You'll be taken to the H panel to claim your free domain name if you haven't already. Once done, go back to the site editor and hit Go Live. Any changes you make in the site editor will be automatically saved, but you need to click Update Website to make them live. If you ever need to restore a previous version of your site, then go to Website Settings and select Manage Backups. And that's it. You've just created a beautiful, professional website using Hostinger's website builder. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on web development and design. Also, be sure to use the link down in the description and the discount code MyFirstWebsite when signing up for Hostinger to get the best deal possible. The links in the descriptions are affiliate links, and they do help out the channel. So if you do end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.